Hi students, today I am doing the problems based on properties of determinants. 10th one, first problem, determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4 equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole power 2. Solution, it's given that determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now here we have to verify applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 4. 2x plus x, 3x. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 4. 4x plus x, 5x. 5x plus 4. So we are getting 5x plus 4. So that here we have to take the operation R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Even we can take C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We can take C1 changes to C1 plus C2, C1, C2, C3. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 4. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 4. 4x plus x, 5x. 5x plus 4. So we are getting 5x plus 4. So that here we can take R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3 or C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Any operation can be taken here. So here only R1 changing. R2 and R3 they are not changing. So here we have to write it as determinant of x plus 4 plus 2x, x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x, next 2x plus 2x plus x plus 4. Now R2 and R3 same, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. X plus 2x plus 2x equal to 5x. So it implies we can take it as determinant of 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now here 5x plus 4 is a common factor in R1. In each and every element of R1, here we are having 5x plus 4. So here 5x plus 4 into we can take 1 into 1 into 1. Now we can take the common factor 5x plus 4 outside. Taking out the common factor 5x plus 4 outside, from R1 we have to take the common factor 5x plus 4 from R1 outside. So if you take it 5x plus 4 outside, if you take 5x plus 4 outside, we are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Now here we are having 1, 1, 1 in R1. So what we have to do now? We have to get two zeros in R1. When you get two zeros, the simplification will be very easy. So what we have to do is now, we have to get 0 in this place and we have to get 0 in this place. To get, this is C1 and it is C2 and it is C3. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. That is why we have to take C2 changes to C2 minus C1. C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Now here we have to write applying C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. There is no change in C1. C1 same. So 5x plus 4 into determinant of C1, let us write same. 1, 2x, 2x. Now C2 changing to C2 minus C1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x equal to x minus 2x equal to minus x. So here we have to take 4 minus x. 2x minus 2x becomes 0. Similarly, C3 changes to C3 minus C1. C3, C1. So 1 minus 1, corresponding elements only we have to subtract. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 2x minus 2x becomes 0. X plus 4 minus 2x becomes 4 minus x. 4 minus x. Now here we have to expand it along R1. Since we are having two zeros in R1, it is very easy to simplify along R1. So expand along R1 now. Expanding along R1, we get 5x plus 4 into the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So that we have to take plus 1 into determinant of, remove the first row and first column. Then we are having the 4 elements 4 minus x 0 0 4 minus x. 4 minus x 0 0 4 minus x. Next we are having minus 0 0 into anything 0, so no need to write it. Next plus 0 we are having. Then 5x plus 4 into 1 into 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square minus 0. So we have to prove that 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Hence prove. Second problem in 10th one. Determinant of y plus k, y plus k, y plus k equal to k square into 3y plus k. Here we have to prove that k square into 3y plus k. Let us verify, will you get 3y plus k by taking any operation in the determinant? Take C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Y plus y, 2y, 2y plus y, 3y, 3y plus k. Yes, we are getting here. Next, y plus y, 2y, 2y plus y, 3y plus k. Y plus y, 2y, 2y plus y, 3y, 3y plus k. So, here we have to take the operation applying C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then it becomes y plus k. We are changing only C1. C2 and C3 will be same. So C1 is this one. We are adding C1, C2 and C3. So here we have to take y plus k plus y plus y. Next we have y plus k plus y. Y plus y plus k. Now C2 no change, C2 same, y plus k, y. C3 y, y, y plus k. Now here we are getting here 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k, y, y plus k, y, 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 y plus k. Now here we have to prove that k square into 3y plus k. So here 3y plus k is a common factor in C1. Each and every element of C1 is we are having 3y plus k. This can be taken out since it is a common factor. Into we can take 1 into 1 because 3y plus k into 1 equal to 3y plus k only. So that we can write it. Now taking out the common factor 3y plus k from C1 outside. Now here we have to take the common factor 3y plus k outside. Then we have 3y plus k into determinant of, when you take 3y plus k outside, we are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next we have y plus k, y. C2 and C3 are same. We are not taking anything. Nothing is common in C2. Nothing is common in C3. So we cannot take anything out. So here we have to take y plus k, y. Y plus k, y. Next we have y plus k. Y plus k. Since we are having 1, 1, 1 in column 1, we have to get 2 zeros to simplify this. So to get 2 zeros here, we have to take applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. We get 3y plus k into determinant of 1, y, y. Now 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Y plus k minus y becomes k. R2 minus R1. So y minus y becomes 0. Now we have to take R3 changes to R3 minus R1. This is R3, this is R1. Just we have to write R3 minus R1. Corresponding elements we have to subtract. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Next y minus y, 0. Y plus k minus y, k. Since it is upper triangular matrix, we can write this one is product of principal diagonal elements. Directly we can write 1 into k into k. 3y plus k, if you simplify along C1, expanding along C1, we get plus 1 into determinant of k 0, 0, k. Next we are having minus 0 plus 0. Minus 0 plus 0. So it implies 3y plus k into k square minus 0. So it implies we are getting 3y plus k into k square. Here we have to get k square into 3y plus k. Hence proved. 11th main, first problem. Determinant of a minus b minus c, 2a, 2a, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. Now here we have to verify by taking any operation, is it possible to get a plus b plus c or not? For that, let us verify. Take C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. A plus 2A, 4A. 4A plus, sorry, A plus 2A, 3A. 3A plus 2A, 5A. 5A minus B minus C. No, we are not getting A plus B plus C. Now, take R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We get A minus B minus C plus 2B equal to A plus B minus C plus 2C. Yes, we are getting A plus B plus C. So here we can take operation R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We are changing only R1. R2 and R3 no change. So here determinant of A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Next 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C. 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. It implies we have minus B plus 2B becomes B, minus C plus 2C becomes C. Determinant of A plus B plus C, 2A minus A plus B plus 2C minus C becomes plus C. 2A minus A plus 2B minus B plus B plus C. R2, there is no change. So let me write R2 here same. 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Now, in R1, we are having A plus B plus C is a common factor. This is R1. In R1, we are having A plus B plus C is a common factor. So, we can write it as into 1. When you take A plus B plus C outside, you are having 1 here. Into 1. Into 1. So that it becomes into 1. Then it becomes, first we write taking the common factor A plus B plus C from R1 outside. Taking the common factor A plus B plus C from R1 outside. Then it becomes A plus B plus C into determinant of, here we have into 1. So 1, 1, 1. Next we have 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 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 C minus A minus B. Now in R1 we are having 1 1 1. We have to get two zeros in R1 now. To get two zeros, apply the operation C2 changes to C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Next C3 changes to C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So here we have to write applying C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1, we get A plus B plus C into determinant of 1, 2B, 2C, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, B minus C minus A minus 2B minus B. So minus A minus B minus C. 2C minus 2C becomes 0. Next C3 changes to C3 minus C1, C3 C1. 1 minus 1 0. Next 2B minus 2B 0. C minus A minus B minus 2C. C minus 2C equal to minus C. So it implies we can write it as minus A minus B minus C. Now here we have to expand along R1. Since we are having two zeros, it will be very easy to simplify the determinant. So expanding along R1, we get expanding along R1 we get A plus B plus C into plus 1 into, here the element 1 lies in first row and first column. We have to close first row and first column. Remaining elements we have to take in a determinant. Determinant of minus A minus B minus C 0 0 minus A minus B minus C plus 0, sorry, minus 0. Next 0 into anything 0. So next plus 0. Then it's equal to A plus B plus C into plus 1 into, take minus common, minus of A plus B plus C into minus of A plus B plus C equal to, we are having minus into minus plus, so A plus B plus C whole cube. So the answer is A plus B plus C whole cube. We have to prove that A plus B plus C whole cube. Hence proved. Next, in 11th one, second problem. Determinant of x plus y plus 2z, x, y, z, y plus z plus 2x, y, z, x, z plus x plus 2y equal to 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. To prove this, we have to apply the operation here. Let us verify first. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. X plus y, 2z plus z, 3z. 3z plus z, 4z. So we are getting x plus y plus 4z. Here we have to get x plus y plus z. We are not getting. So let us verify by taking C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Applying C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. X plus y plus 2z plus x. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Even here we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. We can take the common factor 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So that here we have to write it as determinant of x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. Next z plus y plus z plus 2x plus y. Now z plus x plus z plus x plus 2y. C2 no change, so we have to write same x y plus z plus 2x x y y z plus x plus 2y. Now here x plus x equal to 2x, y plus y equal to 2y plus 2z. So we can write it as this one equal to determinant of 2x plus 2y plus 2z, and next one 2x y plus y 2y z plus z 2z. So it implies we are getting 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Now here 2x plus 2y plus 2z. C2 and C3 no change, only we are changing C1. In C2 we have x y plus z plus 2x x y y z plus x plus 2y. Taking the common factor 2x plus 2y plus 2z from C1. Here we have to take into 1. Into 1. Into 1. So here 2x plus 2y plus 2z is a common factor in C1. Taking the common factor 2x plus 2y plus 2z from C1, we get, taking the common factor 2x plus 2y plus 2z from C1, we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z into determinant of 1 1 1 1 1 1 x y plus z plus 2x. Next we are having x y y z plus x plus 2y. Now we are having 1 1 1 in C1. This is C1 column 1. Now here we have to get two zeros. To get two zeros, this is R2 and this is R3. Here we have to take R2 implies R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. R3 implies R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So there is no change in R1. So R1 is same. 2 times of x plus y plus z into determinant of R1 same 1x y. Now R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Y plus z plus 2x, 2x minus x equal to x. So here we are getting x plus y plus z, y minus y 0. Next R3 changes to R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. X minus x becomes 0. Now z plus x plus 2y minus y, x plus y plus z. Now 2 times of x plus y plus z into, we have to take here, we have to expand along C1. Expand along C1. So first plus 1 into determinant of the element 1 lies in first column and first row. So the remaining 4 elements we are having x plus y plus z 0 0 x plus y plus z. Next minus 0 plus 0. Then it becomes 2 times of x plus y plus z into plus 1 into multiply these two elements x plus y plus z whole square equal to 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. We have to prove that 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Hence proved.